For the past 25 years, NATO has played a role in implementing the Dayton Peace Agreement in Bosnia and Herzegovina. This role has evolved from the implementation force to the stabilization force to the whole range of tasks that NATO headquarters Sarajevo does today. Our mission is to support reforms and capacity building within the BIH defense and security sector under the umbrella of NATO's Partnership for Peace. In Bosnia and Herzegovina, the defense and security landscape has seen significant positive change since Dayton. Although some of these reforms were brokered with the assistance of the international community, these changes are ultimately the result of the commitment and compromise by local actors. Local ownership is key for long-term, sustainable security in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The BIH authorities, through their partnership with NATO, continue to lead both the direction and pace of reforms. And NATO and its member states and partners remain committed to supporting BIH in implementing these reforms and building on the peace that the Dayton Agreement brought to Bosnia and Herzegovina 25 years ago.